Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's news edition. Before heading to the news in detail, here's a glimpse of the headlines. 15 lives lost in Garo Hills due to floods and landslides, informs Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Kerman Shilla. Meghalaya BJP celebrates party's hat-trick victory in Haryana Assembly election. North Shillong MLA Adelbert Nongrum visits Long Round Road in Maulai Nongmali with locality leaders and PWD officers. KNAM seeks transparency in the tendering process in the state. And HYC urges MHRC to proceed with complaint against Pin Ursula police officer. The news in detail. As many as 15 people have lost their lives in the recent rainfall in Garo Hills, coupled by floods and landslides. Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Kerman Shilla informed that there was a total loss of 15 lives. He said that altogether 246 villages were affected in the entire state in recent rains, with more than 650,000 population and 665 houses getting affected. Shilla further said that this is one of the worst floods that he has witnessed in the state.
At my tenure, I've seen that this maybe I can say is one of the worst situations that we face in Garo Hills region. We have seen flood from time to time. Every year we have witnessed that. But loss of life, this time it rise up to 15 number of loss of life. Total number of village affected is 246 and house damage 347 and 15 life loss, total number of 15. And then we have 6 injured.
The Meghalaya unit of BJP yesterday celebrated party's hat-trick victory in Haryana Assembly election. Earlier, the party leaders also held a meeting and discussed about the upcoming elections in the state. BJP President Rickman Momin said that only few leaders have left the party and leaders who are true to the party still supports the party in Meghalaya. He also said that the victory in Haryana will inspire the party here to work harder and win the 2028 Assembly polls.
Words, I thank you. I think
have this victory because you have seen in the news earlier will be in 2020.
today, mainly why we are gathering here is because our celebration for Haryana, which we have been always hearing that BJP is out of seat, mostly everywhere in election. But this time, God has sent a miracle to our party again. After we are not given for a ticket for MP election, now we are working hard. Everyone, those who are not real BJP, they are going away from us. Those who are actual BJP and who is fully supported us and which really wants to build our own party, they are now with us.
North Shillong MLA Adelbert Nongrum, together with locality leaders and PWD officers, today visited the Long Round Road at Maulai Nongmali. The purpose of the visit is to complete the pending road which was started since 2012. Speaking to the media, Adelbert Nongrum acknowledged the former MLA of North Shillong, Roshan Wardri, for taking initiatives for the construction of this road. The reason of the pending road is due to the conflict between the PWD department and the Forest Department, which has rules that require approval from the government, he added.
Kamram jonga ko memali kadai sibanta ruban penpau ke jing songu khamtam ya I former MLA minister I kong Roshan Wardri I bala long ke jing serang hakti ki por kumno ban penurlong ya ni ka jing temu jenik sorok ban pensuk ya ki nong song senong Kai ka daw ko jing slam kalau nomor ki bun ki prosedur kham tam ek bai tingkho ka forest bat ka peduli to ka peduli ka kham jam rega forest part ki bun ki rules and norms ka bang ihap ban ban ka permission ka jing bit mbe tanah port state habia switch port central.
CNAM's working president Thomas Passa seeks transparency in Meghalaya's tendering process. A memorandum to the Printing and Stationery Department highlighted concerns over closed tendering for scrap disposal. Passa argued that closed tenders foster favoritism and biasness. CNAM advocates for open tenders, ensuring fairness, transparency and accountability in governance. This push for reform aims to safeguard public interest and promote equal opportunities for all bidders.
The department has floated a closed tender, and this is where we have objection. Therefore, we have submitted a letter to the director. We have make our demand clear that this tender should be open tender so that the procedure is clear and transparent.
The Hinyao Trep Youth Council, HYC, during the hearing of the MHRC yesterday, has urged the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission, MHRC, that they would like to proceed with the complaint against George Dakhar, the second officer in charge of Pin Orsla Police Station. The MHRC fixed the second hearing on November 14, where the Commission had directed the HYC Rewar Mingi Circle President Lamprang Khonglam to produce evidence against Dakhar that he along with 6 others were assaulted by him on the evening of 24th February at Pin Orsla Police Station. HYC President Roy Kupar Sinrem said that the Commission should recommend stringent action against George Dakhar if they are able to prove that he has abused his power by assaulting the local president and its members.
Dihalor kan inquiry report na kaliang kajongi ngilapan pa ya kita ba ka commission kam dei ban priang ya kan inquiry report ban kaliang kajongi ngim priang ba ngilakar pat ya ka commission ba ka dei ban ya cakmat ya ka kes persya yo George Dakhar. Hadian mengilai keren na kaliang jong lamprang mentan ngulapan pa ko commission ba na kaliang ngajong ukwa ba ka commission ka dei ban ya cakmat ya kan kam ba lada lap hadian gajing sia migisaki sabut dei ban pensitom yo George Dakhar kat kum ki kendon jakaan.
The Central Puja Committee of Garo Hills organized a vibrant celebration on the occasion of Sri Sri Durga Puja 2024 at the Police Parade Ground, Tura, West Garo Hills. Dr. Kumar Raghavendra, MG, IPS, DIG of Police, Western Range, graced the event as the chief guest. The event featured a range of cultural programs, food festivals, and a handicraft exhibition showcasing the rich traditions of the region. In addition, new clothes were distributed to the underprivileged as part of the celebrations. The event aimed to foster community spirit and cultural appreciation during the auspicious Durga Puja celebrations. People in Shillong marked the beginning of Durga Puja celebrations with Dandiya dance yesterday. The Dandiya dance was organized at Rilbong Puja Mandap in the city. With exhilarating dance performances, live music and traditional decor, these events offer an unforgettable immersive experience. From high-octane Garba moves to the rhythmic clatter of Dandiya sticks, these 5 must-attend nights promise an exhilarating fusion of culture, tradition and fun. To ensure a peaceful Durga Puja celebration, Shillong police have made elaborate security arrangements. East Khasi Hills SP Sylvester Nongtnger said that the city has been divided into 11 sectors and there are also 5 quick response teams of CRPF to respond to any emergency. He also said that police personnel will also be deployed in puja pandals.
We have made a plan, and also we have deployed from today. So in Shillong city, we have divided into 11 sectors, and all these 11 sectors will be supervised by the encaustic officers, that is DYSP and additional SP. So in these 11 sectors, we have deployed at least 31 encaustic officers. They have held a meeting with the puja in charge and so on to ensure that the puja should go on peaceful and smooth in the East Khasi, especially in the Shillong city.
Shillong police, while acting on inputs yesterday, arrested 2 drug peddlers from the city. The police made the arrest in Meghalaya when 2 drug peddlers from Meghalaya were coming to Shillong with the contraband item. Police recovered 50 grams of heroin from the possession of 2 peddlers hailing from Assam. A case has been registered against them.
One is Abdul Mukit and the other one is Sauru Pananda Mohanta, and both are from Assam. And from their position, we got 57.51 grams, then 6 also 4 mobiles, then 1 epic card, 1 PAN card, 2 ATMs, and of course 1 driving license.
Due to the absence of a bridge connecting Nong Trao village with Nong Ding Sning village, located in the Wat Ling Do area of Mau Ed, school children from the village as well as the general public are forced to cross the Ling Do river by wading through it. This has created significant difficulties for both the students and the public. Concerned about the difficulties faced by the public, the FKJ GP Mau Ed Circle, led by President Pa Anthony Umyong, raised the issue with the media and urged the government and relevant authorities to take immediate action to restore the bridge.
Di nagalian jong ikong kaseng isang kya di kata-kata namarba ya ganika haganika wa haban kam dati arpau lai pamut ikana school bawan nang di school ng Trao man kasi ya halau gali nagalian jong ikong kaseng itong pau ya isang kya di kata-kata ba ibu kasi kapar kmat jong kasokar kan kai kmat hagbere di ciking swaba kanjia kanu
Renowned industrialist and philanthropist Ratan Tata passed away last night in Mumbai at the age of 86. He had been undergoing treatment at a private hospital and was in critical condition. The Maharashtra government has announced 1-day state mourning today, and Ratan Tata's final rites will be performed with full state honours. People from all walks of life today paid respects to the industrialist and philanthropist Ratan Tata at the NCPA in Mumbai. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and others including Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma have expressed their condolences on the demise of the renowned businessman and philanthropist.
I am deeply saddened to learn and hear about the demise of late Ratan Tata ji. He was, of course, a very, very well-known figure, not just because of how he transformed the industry, transformed the Tatas, but also for all his philanthropic work and especially his kindness to people of all statures. And I think that's what he will be remembered most for for his kindness and for his humility and for his simplicity.
The district hub for empowerment of women in Ribhoi district marked the International Day of the Girl Child today at IVCS Umdihar under the theme Girls' Vision for the Future. Orville Isaac Massar, Deputy Commandant of the 6th Battalion, attended the program as the chief guest. Addressing the event, Massar emphasized the importance of such initiatives in raising awareness among youth and encouraging parents to support their children's participation. The discussion also covered significant topics such as teenage pregnancy and education, underscoring the need for community engagement in addressing these social issues. The event was attended by women, children, and youth from the community.
Shop punya krani. Ski hoy, ila num krani ki tama ski la dai ila, but you are not judging him or her. Tama ki kwa shisha ba pinte ka problem juni. Nanta ka sami ka ski ka shisha. Maybe the problem at school, maybe the problem here, maybe the problem pun kali ki problem ko menta. Teenage pregnancy also very big issue. So many things are there. No ipi tama la da open communication. Kadang-kadang open communication tungi kung police department ro encourage bit barbar man kapor bagi kinasamlan schools bagi man hapo police station.
And now the weather report. Minimum temperature recorded today was 16.4 degrees Celsius, while maximum temperature was recorded at 26.2 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 75%, which decreased to 72% in the evening. Forecast: moderate rainfall and thundershower is very likely to occur at many places. Before winding up this news bulletin, here's a short recap. 15 lives lost in Garo Hills due to floods and landslides, informs Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Kirman Shilla. Meghalaya BJP celebrates party's hat-trick victory in Haryana Assembly election. North Shillong MLA Adelbert Nongrum visits Long Round Road in Maulai Nong Mali with locality leaders and PWD officers. Knam seeks transparency in the tendering process in the state. And HYC urges MHRC to proceed with complaint against Pinorsla police officer. And dear viewers, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. Thanks for tuning in with us. Good night.